Hello, good afternoon guys. I just want to thanks all viewers and subscribers today. It's kinda late I upload video because I have a lot of things to fix which is absolutely necessary. Today, I'm gonna show you the repair cooling inverter AC which was before it was not working the outdoor fan motor and compressor. Now I'm going to test this whether it is working right away. Let's take a look at this guys. So guys, thank you very much for your support to my YouTube channel. I do appreciate your support, especially to those subscribers and viewers. Okay guys. By the way guys, before I forget the problem of this which I replaced, the switching regulator which is TNY267P. Okay guys, once again thank you very much. I do appreciate your watching of this video. See you in next video again.